Hi guys, I'm doing my car collection today. I'm gonna show you some Hot Wheels cars. Some aren't Hot Wheels, but some are. I've got a really old one up here. Right up there. And I got some old ones over here. They're actually Tom and Jerry cars. They say one, that's 1, 2, 3, and that's 5. I just have to have 4 and 6, and I got other Hot Wheels cars. And I got this for Christmas from, I think it was my grandpa. And it's one of the Harley Davidson motorcycle things. And I got this like 2 years ago. I just thought I would put it in the video because it's still a car. And I got a real model I'm gonna pick out. I think it's a Ferrari. Tell me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I think it's a Ferrari. And this can pop up and then you can see the engine. But I just wanted to show you guys my Hot Wheels collection. If you don't want to miss out on my new videos, just subscribe. See ya.